Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony Mars, the Awakening Coach. I want to talk to you today about a special offer. In a time where a lot of people are dealing with anxiety, in a time where people are dealing with fear, oppression, depression, all types of stress, in this time during the coronavirus, I want to offer you free coaching. That's right, free coaching. Everybody needs to understand the peace of God. And if we will be honest, many people don't have that peace. So many people right now are dealing with stress because of the stock market, because of the fact that they don't have a job, because of job layoffs and all of these different factors that are taking place now. It's a lot of stress behind us transitioning from brick and mortar school and brick and mortar church to being at home. And the Bible declares that we can have the peace of God that passes all understanding. And many of us don't have that. Do we understand that there is peace in God that has nothing to do with the current situation? That there can be peace in the midst of chaos. That there can be peace in the midst of the storm. See, this is the type of peace that I want to help you to begin to develop inside of you, and in the midst of the storm, in the midst of the chaos, in the midst of all of the fear that is being poked through our social media, in the midst of all of the fear that we are experiencing because of the uncertainty of how this coronavirus is going to spread or affect things going forward. I want to offer you an opportunity to do one-on-one coaching where you can develop your faith. Faith over fear. The ability to be able to have peace in the middle of the storm. So this is the kind of peace that Jesus was talking about when he said, "My peace I leave unto you. Not as the world gives, give I unto you, but my peace. Let not your heart be troubled, neither be afraid." So look, if you want to understand this type of peace, if you want to develop your faith in such a way that you can go and really experience the peace of God, let's talk. I also wanted to let you know that I will be dealing with other issues like depression, like other emotional ill states that you might be experiencing during this time. We can deal with those as well. This is a free opportunity for you to get one-on-one coaching. Maybe you never had a chance to do coaching because of the price of coaching. Maybe because you never really thought that you needed it. Because some people believe that coaching is only for people who are in trouble or need help. But coaching is for everybody to maximize your potential and become all that God has created you to be. So until next time, this is Anthony Mars. Look down below in the comments for all the information on how to contact me so that you can set up your free coaching sessions. Have a good day.